Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the mobile view on Shopify. Shopify is the all-in-one commerce platform that helps you start, run, and grow a business. A large number of online shoppers visit stores from their mobile devices, so having a clean mobile design is important. If your store looks crowded, images are too large, or buttons are difficult to use, customers may leave before completing their purchase. You can grab the link to this tool in the description below if you want to follow along. So with that, let's get started. Go to your Shopify dashboard. Your Shopify dashboard is where you can manage your products, orders, themes, apps, and store settings. From here, we will access the theme editor to adjust how your website appears on mobile devices. Look at the left menu and click on Online Store. Next, find your active theme and click the Edit Theme button. This opens up your website builder. The theme editor allows you to customize different parts of your store without editing code. You can update sections, change layouts, and preview your changes before making them live. Now look at the very top of your screen. You will see a small bar with a few icons. Click the icon that looks like a mobile phone. This instantly changes your preview. Now you can see exactly what your store looks like on a phone. This mobile preview helps you understand how customers experience your store. Always check important pages, like your home page, product pages, and cart page, because these areas directly affect conversions. From here, you can easily fix your layout. If a section looks too big, just click on that section. For example, large banners, product images, or text blocks may look perfect on desktop, but appear too large on smaller screens. Adjusting these sections can make your store easier to browse on mobile. On the left side of your screen, scroll down at Settings menu. Look for the Mobile Media or Layout settings. These settings give you more control over how your content appears on different screen sizes. Depending on your Shopify theme, you may see different options available. For example, you can toggle on Stack Media. Stacking media helps arrange images and content vertically, making it easier for mobile visitors to scroll through your store. You can also adjust the alignment. Changing alignment can improve readability and make sure your text, images, and buttons are positioned correctly on mobile screens. This makes everything fit beautifully on a phone screen. A good mobile layout creates a better shopping experience and can help customers find products faster. Always check your design from a customer's point of view before publishing changes. Once your mobile view looks great, click the Save button in the top right corner. Before finishing, it is also a good idea to open your store on an actual smartphone and test the pages. This helps you catch any issues that may not appear inside the Shopify preview. And that is it. You have successfully learned how to fix the mobile view on Shopify. Keeping your Shopify store mobile-friendly can improve user experience, reduce frustration, and help your visitors complete purchases more easily. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more quick website guides.